Light replacement. Remove the 7 plugs on the back. Loosen the 7 screws on the back. Gently open the back panel. Loosen the 3 screws. Open the water tank cover and remove the filter. Close the water tank cover. Gently push forward to remove the top cover. Take out the dish basket. Gently lift upward. Unscrew the interior light. Disconnect this connector. Cut the ties securing the wires. Replace the old light with a new one. Tighten the interior light. Connect this connector.